steamboat. We're gonna have a steamboat here, prepared by Ate Anita and Neneng for eating and Shabir. Yeah. So my brother-in-law, Kuya Nilo, Boy, Kuya Noli, Shabir, Rick, Kuya Bernie. We'll be having our dinner.
And then Rick and I went for a walk. It's a nice walk to the beach. So while I'm standing at the beach, I saw a lot of people swimming over there. And then I saw big clouds over there. I said, weather's not good. So Rick was looking at me, how do you know? And then we saw all the people who were in the bathing costume, all getting ready and getting out of the water. So just after that, it started drizzling. Luckily we got to the car. By the time we reached the airport, we just missed it by minutes.
Did you hire a car or
Rudy.
you
Oo. Namatay.
Oh.
Biumi nga kanina.
Sino? Yun, damit ka here. Sino yun? Kapatid ni? JC.
Asawa ni Ate
Arno.
Tiga
Kamachili. Kamachili yun.
Kamachili.
Kasi you know from there.
Nice place actually.
So we're gonna have a steamboat for tonight dinner prepared by Ate Anita and Neneng. Come here. We have the crabs here.
May higadillo.
Yeah.
May ilog lang ka.
Oh
Kaya
my
nining
God.
ng dinuguan.
Dinuguan. Dinuguan. And this is langka, gulay na langka. Higadillo. Oh my God. The spring roll here. Oh, we have, daing, my favorite. Yeah. Thank you, Ate Anita, Neneng.
But I think we still enough. For me,